Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm gonna show you the groceries that I purchased at Lidl. I only went to Lidl today, but before I show you those groceries, I'm gonna show you how I'm making dinner. It's pretty simple, like the title said. It's a steak sandwich with coleslaw. So let's go, and then I will show you the groceries and also all the discount that they have for this week and next week. So here I go for my coleslaw. I have some leftover lettuce. I have some cabbage, green cabbage, red cabbage, red bell pepper, and some carrot. And you can add some slices of onions as well. So let's start with the coleslaw. Okay, so I'm gonna put some salt, some mayonnaise, and I'm gonna mix it with this. I don't know if you remember my last video that I've done for my groceries at Aldi. So I had this for $1 something. So this is some harissa ranch dressing. It's a little bit like the chipotle sauce. You can use the ranch or any sauce that you want. So I'm gonna try for the salt. Good. Really good with this dressing. I don't want to mess up the name. It's really good. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside and start making the steaks. So here we go. The meat is ready, and try not to burn it. Just leave it few, maybe 1 minute on each side. You just keep checking. And the bread that I'm gonna be using is this one. It's Italian style bread. I got this from from Lidl. The loaf is $2.49, and you can slice it yourself next to the bakery. So it's pretty explanatory, easy to do. So here we go, and I will be using this cheese because I'm running out of Swiss cheese. And the kids, they love this one, so I'll be using this for my husband and myself, and this one for the kids. So let's go. I'm gonna put some, you can add some mayonnaise if you want, but since I'm gonna be using cheese, my husband, I think that's enough for him. Doesn't want too much fat. Here we go, looking good. So I hope it was really simple. You guys try it, and just another idea for a dinner meal. Really quick, easy. So now we're gonna go and talk about the groceries that I got from Lidl. So let's go. So for this week, this is the flyer that they have. So it goes from the 12th to the 18th, and they have this discount that they have for you buy one and you get the other one free. So they have pretty nice stuff for this week, like the romaine tomatoes are $1.49. You buy one pack and you get the other one free. So if you guys don't have this flyer, or if you don't receive it, you can go on the website and they will probably start sending you those flyers. Or you can also, I guess they probably give some coupons sometimes on the page. So you know, just check it out. And so this one, like I say, goes from the 12th to the 18th. It looks like they're having Italian stuff these days. If you like those kind of food, you know, Italian, you know, head to Lidl. Here we go. So you have all of this, the sauces, olive oil, and a bunch of good stuff. And also they have this backyard stuff, you know, for summer. I like this storage unit that they have for outside. It's funny because I've seen it also in the Aldi flyer, but Aldi was more expensive. Here's $39.99. Yeah, so like I was saying, yeah, sorry, my battery died again on my iPad, so I have to switch to my camera. The lighting is different, but sorry. So yes, $49.99 at Aldi. It's $10 a difference, and it's a lot, you know, trying to save. And the only thing I don't know, if when folding these chairs, if you can store them in this storage box or deck box. So here we go. This is the flyer for, and this is cute. This is the flyer for Lidl from the 12th to the 18th. Let me see, did I miss anything here? Nope. Okay, so here are the groceries that I've purchased today. I only have 3 French bread. They are 95 cents each. These cookies are, I think, 89 cents. My son and my daughter, they love these cookies. Just simple chocolate chip cookies. And these thin wheat crackers. Today they were 89 cents instead of $1.19. So like you can see, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them because they love them for snack. And this is some chicken tender, and it's $4.49. Yeah, it was a little bit cheaper. And also you have these Italian sausages. I took mild Italian, but they have hot Italian sausages. And those one, so you buy one and the other one is free. I'm gonna tell you how much I got this for. It was $2.49. So $2.49 the pack. I got some carrot. The carrot were 75 cents. The green onions, they were 89 cents. You know, 89 cents. I got some cabbage here. The cabbage was 49 cents the pound. And the loaf that I showed you earlier for my sandwich, $2.49. I got 2. I already used this one. And the red bell pepper. The red bell pepper were $1.79. Here we go, guys. So that's it. I didn't want to make this video too long, so because I didn't have that many groceries. Here we go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you like this. Okay, so if there's anything you would like me to answer, just leave me a comment down below and I will. Or if you have any question about the Lidl here in Virginia, just let me know. So enjoy your evening, and I see you on my next video. Oh, you see, I almost forgot. So this is the flyer for starting next week. So it will be from April 19th to April 25th. Apparently it's gonna be organic produce, 25% off. And here we go. You have some avocados, blueberries, raspberries, bananas, 44 cents, but this is organic, so don't get mistaken. And they will have a few items where you buy one and the next one is free, like the cheese here. This is a mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, $2.49. Some bread here, buy one get one free. Some trail mix, the mountain trail mix for $4.89. The second one will be free. And the pizza starting at $5.49. Here we go. And oh, okay, so starting the 19th they will have a taste of China. So they're gonna have Chinese items here, and here Japan. I wonder what they're gonna sell. So you have Thailand, so I guess it's International Week. So here we go, guys. This is the last time I say it. Have a good evening, and enjoy your sandwich if you made it. Bye.